Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking.
Today we are making a strawberry cake mix.
Woohoo!
We're gonna do it now, and we already got the oil.
Half a cup of oil.
Half a cup.
We'll pour it into here where we already got a cup of water. Okay. Put it down over here.
Ew. And now it's kind of like wetter.
We need...
Because it's like weird in there. So
What else do we need?
the egg!
Alright, let's get the eggs.
We're just gonna go in the fridge. Here are our 3 eggs.
Wait a minute.
They're really cold. Betsy is gonna crack them. Betsy is gonna crack our eggs.
Okay. Let me crack them.
I'll just be controlling the camera. Look at that. Look at those eggs. Yum. Those are little egg cells.
Whoa.
Yeah, it looks weird. I don't like it.
Whoa. Now we need to open this up, right?
The mixes. I'll do it. I'll do it. I want to do the mix because I am the mixer.
I gotta get the scissors to open it. Get the scissors over there.
I'll cut it.
Can you reach them? Yeah.
I'll cut it. I can do it. Please, please. The scissors kind of dropped on me, but that is okay. Now pour
Okay.
the mixer in.
Dump it all in. Whoa.
We mix it.
Yes, you mix it now. I'll put it on for you.
I'll get a mixer.
Right here.
I thought I was gonna get the.
Let me put it in and start it up so it don't. Okay, move it around.
It's my first time ever mixing. I've never done this before.
See how it's all coming together?
Yeah. It kind of looks weird seeing the egg, but
Yeah, make sure it's mixed really good. You want everything combined. If your arms are getting too tired, let me know and I'll do it. Want me to help you? Here, let me help you, honey.
it looks really yummy. Give me the camera. I'll do it now. There goes.
Whoa, see all that?
I was going to view that I just did because that was really hard because the camera is heavy.
Alright. Okay, put the camera down.
I'm getting my stool. Look, where's my stool?
In your bathroom.
I got my stool.
I need another spray. Hold on.
Betsy is getting the spray.
Leave it
That's
down.
a little pan.
Because if you drop that, then I'm out of the camera. Okay, put it down here.
She is mixing it right now.
Yeah, what we're going to do is separate, show the camera here.
Yes.
We're going to separate this batter.
In these 2 pans, I'm
Yeah.
guessing. Yay!
Put some in that one.
Yummy
Ooh, watch out.
and yummy. Oh, it looks so satisfying on the camera. And we are gonna do Mia growing up pullets soon.
Yeah, growing up Mia. She wants to make a cake.
Yep.
And strawberry's her favorite.
That's
Okay, so what we're gonna do is do a little shimmy shake.
Strawberry is not my favorite.
Oh, what is chocolate?
Vanilla. I
Vanilla
think.
on the
There
cake.
it is.
Shake it. Shake it again. Okay, now we're gonna put them in the oven.
Right
Right
there.
there.
And I'm gonna pack up. Right there. How many minutes do we need?
29 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, so you can shut the camera off now.
We'll be right back.
The cakes are out of the oven. Now we'll let them cool. There wasn't enough frosting to go around the whole cake, so I'll have to make some. While Mia's watching her favorite YouTube channel, I made some homemade frosting. What I'm doing is just going around the frosting that I did originally put on the cake. But because there wasn't enough, I had to make my own. I didn't have any other strawberry frosting in the house. Nothing like homemade. She'll be happy with this. Mia, come here. Come try it. What do you think?
Oh, that's left in here. I will eat this. Oh, it's left in here.
Okay, let me get it out.
Is it so yummy?
I guess Mia's gonna do the dishes for me.
This is yummy. Try it.
Mmm. And that's what was left out of the container of frosting.
Which I'm gonna eat all of it.
Which is better, this one or the one I made?
Right, I want to taste the one that you made.
Okay, let me get you some. That's the store one. That's the one I made.
Yours.
Yeah, I thought so. I guess I don't have to do the dishes no more, huh?
Thanks for watching. Bye. I'm whipping myself out of here.
And here's the finished product. And it was Mia approved.